till you feel our temperatures.
Oh shit! I did not know. I was not. That was a bot.
Where's he at?
Right below me.
I see him.
Hey Daniel, have you seen the new? Have you guys seen the new smoke grenade?
Not yet.
No, I haven't. Not yet.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
Is it good?
Yeah, here, check this out. Check this out.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I can't see now. Crap.
Okay.
There's someone behind you.
Try to come up the steps.
I almost just fucking killed myself. Damn.
I cracked him.
I see his partner left him behind. His partner's leaving him.
Oh crap! Full squad on me.
No! On the snowboard. You on a snowboard?
Oh, I stole somebody legendary. No, that's not legendary.
Yeah,
Got
they're
all
gonna come.
excited for nothing.
They're coming up here soon.
Let them come up here. I got a shotgun ready for them.
That guy right here still on the snowboard, going around the building.
Ah.
The safe zone is collapsed.
Oh. Oh, behind, sniper.
Okay.
Enemy eliminated.
Do your chicken on him.
Goodbye.
Engaging zombie.
Nice shot. Who shot that? That was nice.
Me.
Nice.
Hey, chicken butt, where's your friend? I'm waiting for him.
Oh, he's coming. This is
Yeah, I see it. Someone's coming up steps. I see you. Come here, chicken. Come here, chicken. Big Brian got you.
Engaging the enemies.
Shotgun for life, motherfuckers.
Chicken butt.
The airdrop is coming.
coming.
How many more do we have left? That's 2 right there.
He dropped
'Cause
as soon as I shot him.
There was. No, he was crawling. He was crawling, then I finished him for you. There's another one coming. Another one coming.
Where was he at?
Squad eliminated.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah,